Good afternoon, everybody. Like I mentioned earlier, we are still seeing some stubborn cloud coverage kind of hanging out overhead. If we take a look over Little River right now, it looks like it's trying to rain just a little bit out in the area. Stubborn cloud coverage still hanging on, but some sunshine is breaking through in between those little clusters. Temperatures right now, it's a very big spread compared to depending on where you are. Right now along the beaches, it's humid, it's warm, temperatures are in the 80s. Meanwhile, back out in the PD, Cheraw, Hartsville, only in the 60s, seeing some cooler, drier air moving in. We're seeing a little bit of a breeze start to kick in as well, and it's all because of that strong cold front that is moving across the region right now. Viper 13 real-time radar, a couple of scattered showers are trying to kind of pop up and move their way towards the beaches. This is the extent of that activity for today. We're going to see a couple more scattered showers kind of pop up for the PD. But all in all, it's just going to be a little popcorn activity as that front kind of rolls off to the east and across the beaches. Satellite and radar, you can see that front starting to move into our area. It's going to be bringing with it some cooler, some drier air. High pressure behind this front starts to move in for tomorrow. Here's a look at that futurecast tomorrow morning. That high pressure sitting just off to the west, pulling a lot of cool, dry air down out of the north into our area. Temperatures overnight tonight dropping down into the 40s for a couple of spots. Tomorrow afternoon, highs only in the 60s. Unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, this high pressure moves out pretty quick. By Saturday evening into Sunday morning, it's already well out of our region. That means that by Sunday, we are already seeing warmer temperatures moving in. So if you enjoy the cooler weather, the fall-like conditions, you're going to love Saturday, but it doesn't last very long. Things start to warm up for your Sunday afternoon, and then by next week, we're back up into the 80s, and we see that humidity return as well. So for today, we're kind of seeing those high temperatures for some of the area already happen. For some of the region are happening right now. Beaches, they're seeing our warmest temperatures right now. As that cold front moves closer, things will start to cool down. Already saw those warmer temperatures for parts of the PD. Remember, Cheraw is already down into the 60s. They topped out around 70. 78 for Conway will be your high. Florence up to 74. All depends how quickly that front kind of sweeps across the region and moves further out to sea. Tropical outlook right now, no organized or developed systems, but we are keeping our eye on a couple of spots of potential development. We have this area of unorganized kind of thunderstorms right now sitting just outside of kind of near Bermuda. It's expected to kind of drop down to the south and then to the west, has about a 40% chance of becoming more organized over the next 5 days. With it kind of moving down to the south and the west, that'll put it almost closer towards our area. So we're going to keep a very close eye on this system as it continues to get just a little bit more organized. So overall for today, we're seeing some of those high temperatures right about right now. Things are going to gradually start to cool down as we continue throughout the rest of the evening. Chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Starting to see that on the satellite and the radar already. Things cool down drastically for tomorrow, only topping out in the 60s. Lows for the next couple of days for your Saturday and Sunday morning in the 40s and 50s. Very cool. Next week, we start to warm up once again.